Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week I'm going to make a coffee and coconut layered jelly. This week is Vietnam, and I can't pronounce it, and I'm not even going to try. Choose your battles, okay? But this is what we are making. So, we're gonna see how it goes. I've already soaked on the stove the agar and water. You gotta let it soak for like an hour. So that's already been soaking. I have the one boiling now. I'm gonna start with the coffee jelly. I have my pan that I'm going to be putting it in the freezer so that it's nice and cold. Hopefully that'll let it set up quicker. So yeah, this little guy in my shirt, that's Finn. Finn enjoys eating bugs, the occasional salad, and a nice sunny spot. Also kangaroo pouch. Boop, boop, boop. So I have 1.5 cups of coffee that I brewed this morning. And then 3 tablespoons. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm just gonna stir that up. It's not very exciting looking. It's literally just a bowl. Pan. A pan of dark, mysterious syrup. My little clippy clappy broke. Excuse me, do you have any words of advice? Riveting. So I gotta let that boil. Oh, you excited? Okay, gotta let that boil. And then I will add all of my milks and stuff. And then we'll get ready. I am a little nervous about this one. It seems very fiddly. I don't do well with fiddly. But we're gonna see. That awkward moment that you thought that you were filming you mixing up the other layer and you weren't the whole time. No filming. A little chunky. Oh, come on. You know what? What is wrong with me? I'm sitting here like, oh, I've done such a good job for the most part. And then what is this? What is this? Maybe we'll serve it like an upside down cake. Who's gonna know? No one's gonna know. Oh no. Oh God. No. Oh no. Okay, so we have several layers. I don't think that this turned out the way that it was supposed to turn out. It's very firm. I don't know, I thought it would be more like Jell-O. Oh God, it's sliding. Ta-da! It's individual layers. I messed something up. Well, shit. I'm not entirely sure what I did wrong. I think I might have let it set up too much. before I did, or when I did the other layers. So, oh God, they're all individual layers. I'm just gonna, I got a coffee and a milk. I mean, that actually tastes really good. I saw in some of the recipes that they put them, obviously, together. They stayed together, but you put them in an iced coffee. So I might try that later. It tastes good though. It's weird, but I don't hate it. This one, do we like this one? Oh no, that wasn't an answer. How about this one? If you had to pick between the two. Oh, okay. It's this one. Thank you. That was definitive. All right. Oh, next week, bud, we're doing Brazil. Bolo de Rolo? Bolo de Rolo? Don't know what that is. But if it involves dulce de leche, I'm buying it. Anyways, so this one was fairly simple. Not without mistakes, obviously. But I would recommend trying it, if you want to try something a little bit different. Just maybe don't let your layers set up all the way. I think that's what I did, because they have to be able to fuse together. So maybe don't put them back in the fridge. Maybe, I don't know. Gonna have to research it, figure out what I did wrong. But thank you for watching. Yeah. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday. Thank you. You're a very, very nice co-host. I need to trim your nails, though. Bye-bye.